If you've ever searched for dividend ETFs in Canada, then you probably have heard of this one, VDY. It is the most popular ETFs for Canadians looking for passive income in their investment accounts. And today I'm going to break down what VDY is, how it works, the dividends that it pays, and whether it makes sense for your investment portfolio. Let's get into it. VDY stands for Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF, and it is an ETF that holds some of Canada's best dividend-paying companies, mostly banks, energy, and telecom. So think of it like having a basket of some of the best dividend stocks without having to pick them individually yourself. Like meal prepping. As of 2025, VDY owns over 50 Canadian companies. It is very bank heavy. Some of its top holdings are RBC, TD, Scotiabank, Bell, Enbridge, TC Energy, just to name a few. These are big, stable, reliable dividend-paying companies, which means consistent income for investors. VDY currently pays an annual dividend yield of 3 to 4% depending on the market, and these dividends are paid to investors on a monthly basis. VDY launched back in 2012, and it's actually done pretty well, averaging around 11% total return per year. This is fantastic to know, as on top of the steady dividend payments, the passive income that it provides, it also gives you an opportunity to achieve strong, reliable growth in your investments. And lastly, VDY does have a fee, the NER, that most ETFs charge. For this, it is 0.22%. It is much lower than most mutual funds and still providing you exposure to top Canadian stocks. VDY is ideal for any investor who wants monthly passive income, exposure to strong, reliable, blue chip Canadian companies, and low volatility in their investments compared to aggressive growth ETFs. VDY may sound great right now, but it's not perfect. It's heavily concentrated in financials and energy. So if the banking industry or oil isn't doing so great, you're going to feel that a lot more with this ETF. It is also Canada focused, so meaning you don't get any global diversification if you're looking for that. If you want to balance things out in your portfolio, you can diversify with ETFs like VFE for American exposure or XEQT for global diversification. So to recap, VDY is Vanguard's top Canadian dividend ETF. It pays around 3 to 4% in dividends, and these are issued on a monthly basis. It is focused mostly in the banking, energy, and telecom industry. It does have an MER of 0.22%. It is a Canadian-focused ETF and great for passive income while also providing steady long-term growth. It's simple, it's low cost, and it's built for investors who love seeing consistent dividends in their account. I hope this video has been valuable in your investment journey. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below. And if you'd like to follow along for more Canadian investing tips, feel free to check out my other social media pages. Have a wonderful day. Cheers.